This video will cover a cooling system flush of a 1990 Volvo 240 B230F. For a fast clean, this can be completed over lunch. For a deep clean, this will take a few days. Do not perform this procedure if the ambient temperature is below or near freezing, since the cooling system will only have distilled water and no antifreeze. Elevate your car with ramps or jack stands. Place a collector underneath the engine. Unscrew your reservoir cap. Set your heater control to maximum heat. And open the drain cock on the passenger side of the engine, below and to the back of the exhaust manifold. Disconnect the lower radiator hose and let the coolant flow from the drain cock and the radiator into your collector. Once it stops, reconnect your hose and close the drain cock. Refill your cooling system via the expansion tank with distilled water and your preferred cleaning solution. Distilled water is preferred because tap water may introduce additional minerals and contaminants. For a cleaning solution, I'm using Evaporust Thermocure, but I have had success with Prestone Radiator Flush as well, filled to the indicated maximum line on the expansion tank. This will be approximately 10 quarts. For a quick flush, drive the car with the heater controls set to maximum heat for approximately 10 to 20 minutes after reaching normal operating temperature. For a deep clean, drive the car with your heater controls set to maximum heat for 3 to 4 hours over several days. Once you have driven your desired amount, drive the car back onto ramps, place a collector underneath your engine, and let your car cool. Open your reservoir, drain cock, and disconnect your lower radiator hose, letting the contents flow into your container. Inspect the fluids for particulate matter such as rust. Close your drain cock and radiator hose and refill with distilled water. Run your engine to operating temperature, let cool, and then drain the fluids again. Continue this procedure until your water runs clear and there is no more particulate matter. Removing the thermostat will help expedite this procedure. In the description of this video, you will find a link detailing the removal of the thermostat. Once complete, refill your cooling system with your preferred coolant. Volvo specifies blue-green coolant. I am using a 50-50 solution of Prestone concentrate and distilled water. Again, the cooling system will require approximately 10 quarts. Run your engine to operating temperature, take for a test drive, and ensure that your temperature gauge is within the normal range. After that, you're all done. Enjoy your Volvo 240.